In today's video, I made Scotch eggs. This recipe is really easy to make and it can be baked or deep fried. For this recipe, I used boiled eggs, minced beef, raw egg, breadcrumbs, spices, and seasoning. Hi everyone, my name is Dee and this is Agape Kitchen. If you want to see how I made this delicious Scotch eggs, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and expect to see a new video on this channel every Tuesday. To begin your Scotch egg making process, add the minced meat into a bowl, then add your spices. I used curry and mixed spices, and I also added some seasoning powder. Next, I use a spatula to mix the spices and the seasoning into the beef. To make your Scotch egg balls, place about 2 tablespoons of the minced beef mixture in your palms and flatten it with your fingers. Add 1 boiled egg to the flattened minced beef mixture and gently wrap the beef all over the egg until every part of the egg is covered with the minced meat. You do not want to skip this process, guys, because you don't want the egg to burst out while you're deep frying or baking the Scotch egg. One trick I use to during this step is to use my fingers to gently stretch the beef over every part of the egg that might be exposed after wrapping it. Then once you are done with that, gently roll the ball between the palms of your hand to smoothen the Scotch egg balls. Next, dip it into raw egg and then cover it generously with breadcrumbs. Be as generous as possible with the breadcrumbs and ensure that it covers every part of your Scotch egg balls. Then when you're done with that, rub it in between the palms of your hands again and place it on a baking tray. Repeat this process with the remaining boiled eggs and beef, and when you're done with that step, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or deep fry until beef turns brown, and then your Scotch egg is ready to be enjoyed. If you watched this video to the end, please drop your comments in the comment section and I'll be happy to read them. Thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.